Hi, what's your name?
I'm Quinten.
Welcome to the speaking test. What rooms are there in a house?
In the house, they in a dining room, living room, bedroom, bathroom.
Alright. What do people do in the bedroom?
It sleep on the bed.
What do people do in the kitchen?
It cook the cake.
Yes, they cook food, make cakes, and
Eating the many cakes.
yes. And what do people do in the garden?
Is
They
they a flower and plant.
grow flowers and plants. Describe his animal.
It is the cows. It's big. It's big and very clean. It have got 2 ears, one long tail, and 4 legs.
And 4 legs.
It eats the green grass.
What is the Bahamas?
It's the island country. There are many.
No, it's famous for many.
It's famous for many beautiful beaches.
Beaches. Is she in the kitchen?
No, it's not. She in the living room.
Where is the spider?
Spider is under the bed.
Are they mice?
No, they are the chicken.
Is it in the living room?
No, she in the bedroom.
She's or he's?
He in the bedroom.